the chip needs to undergo environmental testing before leaving the factory to simulate the adaptability of the chip's operation and storage in the climate environment, which has ensured that it can work normally in harsh environments. TES series high and low temperature testing machine can provide a test environment temperature of -85 to 250 degrees. The equipment does not directly act on the test object, but is connected to a test platform adapter, and the components are heated and cooled through the heat transfer medium. It can be connected to the computer, and the computer screen can be synchronized with the equipment screen through the configuration software. The temperature setting and real-time control of the screen can be easily achieved within a communication distance of 200 meters. 7-inch color large screen, temperature curve record, program selection and alarm screen record, etc. Realize visualization, data storage and reporting analysis,